Microsoft just made a bold move in its AI strategy, and it's not what anyone expected. After years of relying almost exclusively on OpenAI, Microsoft is now integrating Anthropic's technology into its Office 365 apps. That means some of the AI features inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook will soon be powered not just by OpenAI's models, but also by Anthropic's Claude models. Why does this matter? Because it's a clear signal that Microsoft is diversifying its AI portfolio and quietly admitting that no single model has all the answers. Developers inside Microsoft found that Anthropic's latest models outperformed OpenAI's when it came to automating financial tasks in Excel or generating visually impressive PowerPoint slides. It's a big shift for a company that invested more than $13 billion into OpenAI and built its early AI dominance on that partnership. But now, Microsoft is mixing things up, developing its own AI models, integrating DeepSeek's models into Azure, and even paying Amazon Web Services, one of its cloud rivals, to access Anthropic's tech. The interesting twist? Despite all these changes, the price of Microsoft's AI tools inside Office will stay the same. So users get better, faster, and more creative AI features without paying extra. Microsoft says it still considers OpenAI a key partner for frontier models like GPT-5, but the message is clear. The future of AI at Microsoft is multi-model. If you're watching this, what do you think? Smart diversification or cracks in the OpenAI alliance? Before we dive deeper, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your take on Microsoft's move. And if you want to understand where this AI rivalry is heading, check out the related video in the corner. It breaks down how these competing models are reshaping enterprise AI strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.